What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get the OnePlus 7 or 7 Pro Oxygen OS 10.0.3 update. Now literally right before when I was going to record this, like 5 minutes before I'm going to start recording this video, I got the update over the air. So if I go to settings and then system updates, there it is, the OnePlus 7 Pro Oxygen OS 10.0.3 update. So basically the only update is it's just the security patch has been updated to November 2019, and then improved system stability and general bug fixes, which I've never had any issues with my 7 Pro. Obviously other people do. Now I'm going to install it this way, but if you didn't get it over the air, then I'll show you how to manually install it. And obviously, actually this morning I was reading an article, OnePlus 7 Pro is releasing their 10.3.0 update. So once that gets over the air, I will definitely make a video on that, or I'm going to probably manually install it. So for you guys to manually install the 10.0.3 update, if you haven't gotten it before, or like me, you're gonna go to androidsage.com. Now, if we scroll down, if you notice, it's going to say latest Oxygen OS 10.3. That's not the one we're going to download, because I just checked and there's no links for the 7 and 7 Pro yet. So we're going to keep scrolling down until we see something that says 10.0.3. And that's the one we're going to download. So we're going to scroll down. And just notice this is the previous changelog for 10.0.2. Now, when we do scroll down, we have to make sure that we know our model number. So for me, it would be GM21AA, so, or GM1970, so global US unlocked. So that's for my phone, right? Now, once you know that, see, some people have been asking me about T-Mobile, so just make sure that you know your carrier's model number as well. Now we're going to scroll down. So there's downloads for OnePlus 7 Pro and then OnePlus 7. You have to make sure that you know which phone you have. Some people still mix them up. The OnePlus 7 Pro has a curved screen and the 7 does not. The 7 resembles a 6. Anyway, so for me, I would just hit G Drive downloads or AFH mirror, so Android file host. I would download it. Pretty much I would hit that download icon and then it would download. If you want, I can go ahead and click start to download. Searching for mirrors. Oh, 2.1 gigs. We don't want that. At least I don't want that. I'm not going to download 2.1 gigs. So I'm going to delete that, just because my Wi-Fi is also slow. So basically, if you watch my other videos, I will link them down in the description below. But once you download it, you're going to move your download file into your internal storage, just so pretty much when you go to system, and if you don't get this update, you're going to hit the little settings icon on the top right, and then you're going to hit local upgrade. Now if you notice, I have that local upgrade for 10.0.2, which I already downloaded. So you're going to basically do that. I will link my past videos in the description down below if you want to just get a further look of manually downloading. But I'm going to hit download and install now, and I'll be back. Alrighty, and we're back. So it updated, rebooted, and let's go to settings. Let's go to system, and then so when we go to system updates, sweet, my system is up to date. So what I'll do is about phone. Look at that, Android version 10, build number Oxygen OS 10.0.3. So I'm all set pretty much. Now if we look at that, the Android security patch level has been updated to November 1st. So that's it. And actually, my model is GM1917. So there's that. You're not going to see any huge major improvements on the 7 Pro with the Oxygen 10.0.3 update. Like I said, I'll leave the links of my past videos in the description down below. And let me know if you have a OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro. I got a lot more content on these phones coming in the near future, especially since 2020 and the OnePlus set, or the OnePlus 8, excuse me, the 8, the 8 Pro and the 8 Lite, they're all rumored to be coming out. So I'm definitely going to be making a lot of videos based on OnePlus in the coming months. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, and best of all, Superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.